Hi, I want to recommend to you today uwadonald Enterprises, your one-stop shop for all of your tiles needs, including doors and plumbing materials.
uwadonald Enterprises deals on tiles of all types, brands, and sizes, such as Spanish tiles, Italian tiles, Chinese tiles, and Nigerian super polished tiles. Are you looking for marble tiles, vitrified tiles, porcelain tiles, ceramic tiles, or granite tiles for cabinets for all of your building projects? Come to uwadonald Enterprises. They have any type of wall tiles, floor tiles, and cabinet tiles of different brands and sizes. uwadonald Enterprises also deals on all types of plumbing materials and accessories, as well as various types of doors such as security doors, Turkish doors, waxing doors, etc. Visit uwadonald Enterprises today at number 23 Cook Road, Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria, or call any of these numbers: 0817-3416-147 or 0812-438-7217.